I've been tired of the waiting, tired of holding my pain. Every night I've been praying, but heaven felt so far away. I've been fighting the silence, wondering if you're still here. Every tear that I cried in the dark, you were right there. When my strength is gone and my hope feels thin, you remind my heart again. If you're still breathing, God isn't finished. Every breath is mercy in your lungs. If you're still breathing, there's still a purpose. He's not done with what he's begun. I've been walking through shadows with faith I could barely hold, but you never let go of my hand. Even when I lost control, every scar tells a story of a grace that carried me through. What I thought was the ending was you making something new. You're not forgotten, you're not too far. He's been with you from the start. You didn't survive for nothing. This isn't where it ends. If you're still breathing, God isn't finished. If you're still breathing, God isn't finished. Every breath is proof. If you're still breathing, there's still a reason. Your miracle is still here. So breathe, you're still here. And God isn't finished.